What's up, family? Welcome back to yet another valuable video. So today I'm gonna be going back to the school of entries. I feel like a lot of people on this channel were gaining value of that series, and I really want to go deeper into how to get your entries. And today I really want to talk about getting your entries on supply and demand zones, and particularly emphasizing on the correct zones to trade off. And of course, I took a trade and I'm going to be breaking it down while teaching you, and definitely I'm very excited about this. So we're actually on the chart right now on NASDAQ, and definitely, as you can see, I took a trade of 1 it is to 4. I took this trade on the Forex Funder. So if you don't know about them, they're an upcoming prop firm that's really changing things in the industry. 95% profit split. So definitely I'm aiming to actually get my profit split as the month end approaches. I'm very excited about that. Taking high probability trades, it's kind of really a very crucial big deal as a funded trader. Okay, so definitely that's why I want to share this knowledge with you, so that by the time you also get to be funded with whichever prop firm, or you want to go with the one we're trading with, that's all right. The link is in the description of the video, right? So taking high probability trades, very important to kind of get those sniper entries. Most of the time a lot of traders waste their time trying to chase the markets. Wait for the market to come to you, give you the right setup, execute without fear, as long as you follow your plan. Okay, so as you can see, we've been here on the chart. I just want to break down this trade, okay? And I'm on the 1 hour time frame for so many people who are going to be asking. And I took this piece of price action here. Let me just draw something for you guys. So when the market is in an uptrend, pulls back, creates a lower high, breaks structure, which was this one over here, pulls back to that lower high, it's definitely gonna be buying. So those are your demand levels. Okay, I want to do something here just to show you. That's exactly, structure was bullish. Okay, just want to zoom out to show you here. Okay, as you can see, this was the last lower high, this was the last push down before the market pushed up. And of course, having so much momentum here, okay, let me show you. We break structure, of course. As you can see, we break structure, we have this being the last lower high, but of course the market retested that. As you can see, we have that, and the market did use that, so it was already mitigated, hence I did not look for those demand areas. So this touched, so I was cool with it. And of course, this being the last lower high at that moment, high or low, the market actually did as well, tap into it. And now when the market began to rally and broke this highs over here, it actually created just a small pullback, and the market broke that small pullback, and I took the demand level there, just waiting for the market to pull back. Instead of being said that I did not catch this rally over here, I just waited to pull the trigger. As I said, being a prop trader is very important to really get those high probability trade setups. Okay, so marking this, I was not sure if I should mark it all the way here. So what happens if I'm not sure and I don't want to miss a trade, I just mark the whole thing like this, and I take something that is in between. So as you can see here, there's a bullish candle in this whole reversal. So I took the body of that candle, I'll just stretch it across, and that is where the market actually spiked into. So for example, if we now go all the way to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that small candle there, let me just get rid of this, I'll bring it back. The small candle there was this piece of price action, and that's exactly where the market took place, or took that trade, and then started to rally all the way up. We actually held this throughout the whole night, as we're actually trading within the New York PM. So we have the New York AM and the New York PM. So finding the right times to trade as a trader, finding when momentum takes place is very crucial. in terms of understanding what type of trader you are. And as you can see, this was around about 157 pips that we held overnight. Okay, so as you can see, the market rallied, hit our take profit one, fell back, stopped out some people as well in the group who had trail stopped, but again we kept on going all the way up until we hit that take profit. I believe there was the FOMC minutes here that were responsible for all of this movement that we got. Okay, so what am I basically saying to you in this episode, in this school of entries, right, is that if you want to get high probability, I'm just gonna go ahead here just to put that zone again. Yeah, if you want high probability trade setups of demand and supply levels, wait for or take supply or higher lows or lower highs where the market was aggressive. So as you can see here, there is something that's different from this one over here. The market, yes, it did start picking up here on this demand level, but it was not aggressive as this one. So that shows us that smart money is in. So for example, if the market was like just buying over here and it gets to pull back, as soon as it pulls back, we have a very strong impulsive move. That strong impulsive move, it's just showing us that smart money is in and they want to pull back the market all the way back there. So what happens is that I look for such trade setups because they are more high probability. So that's exactly what we see here. We do have that higher low that the market created. We had a lot of action here, a lot of momentum on this candlestick. We had an impulsive move, very strong, to show us that smart money is in, the institution is in, right? They're buying, let's say, with 100 million. What they're gonna pull it back to that very same level to make the market buy even much, to create a new higher high. And that's exactly, but I wasn't greedy on this one as we're holding overnight. I just wanted to take the pips, but of course I could have aimed for this next high, but of course we just left it all the way there. I just took it at this one. I was really anticipating that we will be taking off this demand level over, this supply, but of course I just gotta appreciate what the market gave me and just take it. So what you can take away from this session and the lesson here is that you want to look for high probability demand and supply areas. How do you identify that? Whenever the last lower high or rather the last high low, depending which trend it is, you must get an impulse to show that smart money was in. Wait for the market to pull back and pull your trigger. I just hope I was straight to the point, very much articulate, and for you to be able to simply understand the concept that I just taught. If you feel like I didn't go deeper enough, we do have our advanced trading course where we go deeper into our teaching. We break it down concept by concept for everybody to understand. It's currently on promotion for 35% off. So definitely in the description of this video, you will find the coupon. Apply it there, become part of a growing community that is God-fearing. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends and family. God bless you.